Still adding grades one by one? That's hours of work gone. You deserve an easier way to handle it. Let's fix that. Here's how to add grades in BestoLMS the right way. But first, remember, always follow the order sequence 1 to 7 in template management before uploading. Step 1. Head over to your admin dashboard and click on Import Excel. This is where your bulk upload begins. Step 2. Go to Excel Template Management and hit the Download button for Grades Order 1. This template is your base for adding grades correctly. Step 3. Open that downloaded Excel file and fill in all the required details, like class and class name. Make sure the spelling and format are correct, because that's what keeps your upload error-free. Step 4. Once your file is ready, come back to the dashboard. Click Upload Excel File and choose the template type, Grades, Order 1. Then, select your file, and you're good to go. Step 5. Check the validation result carefully. If everything's green, that means your data is perfect and ready to upload successfully. And that's it. You've added grades in bulk using BestoLMS, fast, accurate, and stress-free. If this video helped you, hit like, comment your questions, and follow for more quick LMS tips.